fixing to sew a pair of saddle skirts for this Wade saddle I'm building, and I'll just demonstrate to you how smoothly this machine sews. Okay, here's the saddle skirt I'm going to be sewing, and I've scratched my line here with the Osborne scratch compass, and that's where I'll be sewing in the groove there. It allows the stitch to set down in a groove, and it wears real well that way. Or actually, the stitches are protected by it being set down in there a little deeper. It has a lever right here that you can lock and keep the foot raised up. And another thing that's good is to always check your bobbin. I just checked the bobbin and made sure that I had plenty of bobbin. The lighting is good here, and then I do have a light here. I don't use it all the time, but when I'm having trouble seeing, I do use the light there. I like to really concentrate when I'm stitching, especially my saddle skirts, because I want the stitching to be very straight. And normally 6 to 7 stitches per inch is kind of what I like, somewhere in that neighborhood. As you can see, the machine just takes off and runs very smooth. Concentrate on sewing right in the groove, and don't think about anything else but sewing these skirts at this time. The reason I start at the top, it allows me to make sure my stitches are satisfactory. In fact, that looks just a little bit long, so I'm going to drop my lever down over here on the right and lengthen those stitches just a little bit. Yep, that looks much better. Too fine, and later on down the line, if the saddle's ever relined, it's hard to stitch back in the same holes. But as long as you're at 6 to 7 stitches per inch, it can easily be resewn later on. Okay, I'm going to stop here and run the needle all the way down, raise the foot up a little bit, and then turn it, and then now take off again. raise the foot up and pull the stitches, the skirt out from under the machine there. Then now I'll pull the stitches in between and trim that off flush.